Hey guys, I just got out of the shower. Today we're gonna play with motorcycles. We'll get this ready. We'll wait for a little while. Play a game. Large. Okay, we gotta wait for a second. Break them ankles. Break them ankles. Holy crap. Break them ankles. Ah! How'd you get sweet? You made mama sad. Alright, here we go. We're gonna go down through here. Nice button, boy. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, it barely popped a wheelie. Let's go down through here. Nope, almost made it. Let's go down through here. Let's go a little bit slower. I'm tired. Super tired. Boo, boo, boo. Oh, he ain't working. Next guy. Alright. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, start. Hit the mouse button. Hold on. Oh, I need it. Bram. This guy probably works. Start. Backing him up. Button. Huh? Come on. Let's go up here. I just sit over there. Aw, oh, come on. I just got here. Low fuel. 3, 2, 1. Fuel. Let's go. Ah! Skirt. I'll be right back, sir. Shortcut. Whoa. Making a video, Harley. Up the ramp. Up the ramp. Up the ramp. Good. Whoop. Man, I almost made it. Right back. Backing up, backing up. This is not game. Start. Restart. Watch this. Everyone is. Turn right here. Turn. Mouse button. Brim. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Video me. How do you video me? One more second, please. Brim. She's allergic from you. Yeah, because you're stupid soap. She don't take a bath.
She takes showers.